Oh, all right, welcome back to the channel, everybody. So we have an interesting one going on tomorrow. Today is more of just kind of like prepping for it. And so tomorrow we have 12 solar panel posts that I don't know what they look like. I've tried Googling and kind of like based off what I can see, because there's only a few inches that are sticking out of ground. And I need to basically pull all of them out. There's 12 of them. So I rented a Mini X. I'm gonna try to pull it with my truck. This truck is a V6, so we'll see how that goes. Yeah, let's go get some stuff that we need. So I need chains, because I want to see if I can rip those poles out of the ground instead of having to excavate them. And then I need, chains, hooks. If they are auger, like if they are screw post where they're screwed down because they're 48 inches in the ground, then that's gonna be a different story. I might still be able to rip them out with the Mini X. I might have to mess with them a little bit, and then we'll see from there. But I kind of want to see if I can get something, because there's 2 holes at the top of each post. I want to see if I can get something in there and twist it to see if I can't just spin them out. And so, yeah, let's go ahead and let's go to Lowe's. Need fuel. I need bar chain oil as well. So these posts have a hole in them. I'm trying to see if I can find something. Maybe I just need to get like a piece of steel that can go in that hole so I can twist it. You know, you always have to pass by the tool section, see if there's anything that you want or need. There is something I need, and it's the okay. I hate how quickly these wear out, but I feel like I'm gonna need one. Tough Materials, $30 for 3 blades that I'm gonna wear through in 10 seconds. Whatever. $2,600. I need something that'll hook on to the chain and onto the circles on the pipe and to the holes on the pipe. And I think these chains, like these hooks, which are these, they're too big to get into that circle. I could probably get like the very tip. I think we're just gonna have to rely on this other one. Alright, you know what? I got what I need. Let's go check out, and let's get out of here. So it's it's later on. We got everything we needed at Lowe's. Everything went pretty perfectly on that. Hopefully we have everything we need at Lowe's. As you can see, we have some pretty bad weather moving in, and I'm actually hoping that this will work in our favor. This will be an advantage to us, so it'll kind of loosen up the ground tomorrow whenever I go to pull out those poles. Tomorrow should be good weather, but we have a couple cells coming over, and it looks, I mean, you can see it's pretty nasty. So I've actually been pretty blessed on that timing for the video. but the rain's starting to come. It actually came out to the truck. I know y'all can't really see me. I actually came out to the truck to get the GoPro. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get some clips of the storm running through. Hopefully it's gonna be to our advantage tomorrow. Everything went good at Lowe's, and hopefully next thing you'll see are some videos of the storm. And then I will see y'all bright and early in the morning. Okay, so we have the machine here. It's about 8:30. It was like, so these are the poles we're gonna get rid of. I think it's gonna be fine. I think they're gonna come right out. In the sense of they're already moving when I kick it. So let's get this machine off here. So, this is augered in the ground. It has a base to it. It probably has another base to it. So, it has a base to it right there. And it probably has another one down lower. So right now we're probably about 3 feet in, give or take. The poles are 48 inches deep. It's a little bit more and we should be there. So I'm just gonna cut to whenever we're pulling them out. Okay, so we've taken out all 6. We've taken out all 6. I know that's a big jump from not being able to get one, but this was really stressing me out. So this is the one that we started on, and then I couldn't get it out, still can't get the chain off, but I was like, you know what, let me move down the line here and let me get these other ones. So then I went over there and got that one out and worked my way down. This one took the biggest hole. I mean, I really had to dig. It looks like there was conduit in there for the what is it, like for the solar panels to run underground, but there's no wire. But now I'm gonna start recording again because it's only been an hour and a half and we got all 6 of them done, and I was really stressing out about time. So I didn't even get out and grab the camera. I just kept going from one to the other to the other to the other. So this is what they look like. That is why they're so hard to get out of the ground, because of this clay. And that is like actual clay. Like you could do pottery with this. Like, this is legit clay. And that is why these things are stuck in the ground so far. I mean, not so far, but so hard. Because that clay is like cement. I mean, it really... So, I'm gonna try to fill these holes in, but basically, like, you know, like for that hole, I'm gonna find dirt to fill that in with. I don't know where I'm gonna get it, but we're gonna figure it out. And then I'm gonna work my way back down this line. And so, like, I'm gonna dig that hole, and then when I dig this hole, the dirt from this hole will go in that hole. So that's kind of what I've been doing here. I mean, this is just crazy clay. This has a name. This black clay has a name to it, and I don't know what it's called. This is like legit clay, though. It's pretty cool. Perfect pond lining. But, all right, I'm gonna try to get the battery thing hooked up to the GoPro. I'm gonna try to figure it out, because the GoPro's on like 20%. So, yeah. Everything looks really good so far. All the posts are ripped out. Went and got some lunch. Today for lunch we were having a Core Power protein shake. Never had these. Bottle of water. This is the best brand, honestly. And a Deli Express sandwich. I did not pack lunch today, so never had one of these before. I feel like it's kind of hard to fuck up a sandwich, so I don't know. I'll let you know. I'm gonna eat real quick, and then I'm gonna start leveling out the dirt out there. You can't really see. I mean, we just had some dirt piles that we got to kind of push around, but other than that, then we'll be done. back to it, back at it. It is Sunday, and I gotta go fix that cyclone fence. Holy shit. I actually had a lot of fun on the machine this morning. Basically just organized some of the wood out here. Still need to get the log splitter here to take care of that. And messed up the gravel a little bit, but that's fine, I'll flatten it out. Really, dog? Whatever, she'll be alright. And then opened up the ditch here. So the ditch has completely covered this concrete culvert for a long time now. So I was like, you know what? Let me dig that out. So at some point I'm going to figure out how to empty that. And now I just need to strap the machine onto the trailer and get out of here. We're on a mission right now to not get kicked out by the HOA. So I'm gonna open up this gate. I have to get back to John's property, which is that job we did a few weeks ago to fix the fence with that machine. And last time the HOA got really mad at me, so I think if I do this quickly, once I get this big bright yellow thing off the back of the truck, I think it'll be pretty hidden. Of course there's mosquitoes in here. I was wondering why my face was itching. Now let's just try not to get kicked out. Now that. Ow. Ain't nothing. Ain't nothing stopping me. That down. Stabilize us. That up. Try to do this quickly. I don't think it's going to stretch out entirely. But I think we got it pretty good. I didn't bring my tripod with me, so this is pretty much the best angle you're going to get. I need to go to Home Depot because I need to get those right there. They're the adapters that go to the poles. So I need to get that. And maybe a couple other things. And I don't yeah, I'm basically just using these ties right here. Trying to get this, which is not going to be long enough, so we're going to figure that one out too. So I want to hook this onto here. The GoPro also doesn't have that much battery, so I don't know how much I'm going to be recording. I didn't bring my battery extender with me, of course. Man, these little sections are super annoying to try and get. Okay, so the problem I'm having is that it's just not enough. So I can try knocking. So I can try knocking this pole over a little bit, which it needs to be anyways, and see what that does. Put this down. Let him know, like, hey, if you want me to replace the whole thing, like, I will. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. So I think we've gotten somewhere, and maybe I think that's okay. Because I think I actually did pretty decent. Like I said, this was on the ground. Now it looks like this. Anybody that knows chain link fence knows that that is impressive, but I did have a machine, so it's not that impressive. Ta-da! Ugh, that does not look good. Looks a lot better than what it was, but it still does not look good. Always pick up your trash. Man, how am I gonna do this? Okay, that's not that bad. Am I proud of it? Strangely. Okay, so this is it. It's definitely not perfect, but it's the best that I could get it. It was just laying on the ground, so definitely looked better. As soon as I got here, I was kicking myself for not bringing my boots. As soon as I got here. So I was like, it's nice weather. It's just gonna be real easy fence fix. No. Oh yeah, we gotta close this. I'm gonna get this thing loaded up, and then we're gonna get back to the house. I'm gonna strap it down and pray the HOA doesn't get me. Well, I'm already out of here, so who cares? And yeah, get back to the house. Still got a couple dirt piles to move around, got a couple things tidy up, and this machine goes back in the morning, so I want to get the most out of it I can. So we're actually done with both of the jobs now, back at the house. It's the 2 days later, and realized once again, I don't have an outro. So basically finished everything up. I actually think that fence repair came out decent. I did let him know, like, if you want me to go ahead and replace the fence, like, I will replace it because I'll make it right. But, you know, that fence, he didn't put that fence there. The county put that fence there. He's going to put up a wrought iron fence. So, you know, it's like whatever. And, yeah, so we actually, the job where we took out those posts, we're going to be going back there next week and leveling that out for them. Putting down maybe a little bit of seed and taking down a tree. So I'm going to be helping them out on that, getting that taken care of. And today's Thanksgiving. So I hope everyone had a good Thanksgiving. So I know I'm definitely, you can see I'm already dressed up, about to go get some food, go get some grub. And yeah, but I just wanted to close out this video. So I hope everyone has a blessed day. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one, which is either going to be leveling out all that dirt. It's going to be hopefully the home demolition, or a fire damage demolition. So, or sewer repair, because we have that one coming up too. That'll be interesting. But anyways, once again, I hope you all have a blessed day. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, it does help a lot if you like it. It would mean even more if you subscribed. So you notice how I never ask at the beginning of the video, I always ask at the end. Because people ask at the beginning of the video, they're like, make sure to like and subscribe. It's like, I don't even know if I like this video or the channel yet. But if you did end up liking the video, now that you've seen it, feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.